finally i-convention center yelive seyitawuvuleka ikakhulu kulesikhathi lapho live li-assume khona i-chairmanship ye-organ troika ka-SADC. Lokho kutasita ngekuthi njengoba sathi nawu-chair live li-chairisha imihlangano yonke ita lapha eveni. Lokho kutasiniketa ithuba lokuthi sesinayo i-facility letawukhona ko-hosta ingasiyo nje lo mhlangano waka-SADC maningi kakhulu emathuba lebe singakhoni kuwathatha silivela kangwane ekuthi sihoste imihlangano kanti lokuhosta imihlangano kuyayistimulate kakhulu i-economy ngoba ama-delegates nakefika yebo edela umhlangano kepha emahhotela atawugcwala tindiza i-airport yethu itawuba busy titolo ngoba nabaceza bayaphuma bayothenga lokho labakuthengako. So the conferencing is one of the best ways to stimulate an economy. Sibonga nje yona i-vision yesilo semhlaba ukuthi makwendiwa i-airport iphinze ithi akube ne-convention center ngoba kuloko sawukhona kubona i-economy istimulate kabe transport. We have to provide transport. Sibonile nje kulo mnyaka lophelile we isaphakamisa nje sandla to host a couple of meetings even ku-role yethu as a member of the African Union Peace and Security Council. We've managed to host a couple of meetings ngemave in the administration leminye yabo minister ihostelwe lakhaya.